I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May 8 to May the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, pwede naman po kayo din magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Marami tayong pag-uusapan. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Scorpio. Medyo, ang ating foundation dito is medyo parang tinetest, no? Gaano ba katatag si Scorpio? Ayan. Is it going to continue this week or baka ito na din ang week na pwede natin sabihin, tama na, pumapalag naman ako no? Pero wag sabay-sabay. Papalagan ko naman yung mga challenges. Wag lang sabay-sabay, no? Dahan-dahan lang. Pwede na ba natin masabi dito na sa wakas natatapos na, sa wakas medyo humuhupa na itong mga issues natin sa buhay? Let's see, no? With the Three of Pentacles in here, the Four of Swords, and the Ten of Vessels. Chances are, itong energy na ito, medyo sinasabi nating nakakaurot, nakakasawa, nakakapanghina. Hindi ko masyadong gusto ang nangyayari. To a point na napapagod na ako. So, hindi seryoso ako dun. Napapagod na ako. With the Four of Swords, let's clarify that with the Three of Vessels and the Star. So, parang sinasabi natin, kailan naman ako makakapag-celebrate, no? Kailan ko naman mararanasan itong, sabihin natin, pagkakaroon ko ng isang kahit hindi sobrang ganda, yung makapagpahinga man lang ako sa mga challenges. When it comes to finances, siguro bugbog na tayo sa either utang, bugbog tayo sa panghihiram, wala man lang tayo na itatabi, no? Three of Pentacles kasi dito, we're actually looking for a solution that might going to benefit us and probably make us decide, no? Or probably siguro masabi natin na gusto ko na yung nangyayari. Pero so far, kinakaya ko naman. Nakakapagod lang. Careers, or what's happening in your job. Siguro ilang beses tayo nag-a-attempt, no? Na ma-promote. But it feels like medyo hindi pumapanig either ang panahon, ang mga tao. So parang tinatanong mo sa sarili mo, ano bang kulang sa akin? Ano pa yung pwede kong gawin? Ano ba yung mga rooms for improvement ko? Is there still a room for improvement? Or ba, nasa tamang, department ba ako? Nasa tamang company ba ako? No? With the Four of Swords, medyo sinasabi mo, I think that there's also something in here na you're dragging yourself to work. Ano ba yung sinasabi kong dragging yourself to work? So parang gigising ka, biglang masasabi mo, oh, papasok na naman ako. Tapos pagdating mo, kaka-clock in mo pa lang, gusto ko nang umuwi, no? Kasi hindi mo na gusto yung environment, whether hindi mo gusto yung mga tao, gusto mo yung company, or gusto mo yung company pero urot ka dun sa mga tao, no? When it comes to relationship, singles, nawawala na ba tayo ng pag-asa na magkakaroon tayo ng jowa? Kasi it felt like hanap tayo ng hanap. Nakakapagod kasi either nag-ghost tayo palagi, Scorpio, or sabihin natin hindi kasi nagmi-meet yung standards mo. And that's okay. Kasi hindi naman porket nandyan, di ba? Ang pagkakataon, sige na lang. What if there's, some more for me in store, no? I don't wanna settle for less. That's how, royalty you are. Kings, queens, emperors, empress. I deserve better, if not the best. But I am not going to settle for less, no? Uy, nag-rhyme yun, ha? When it comes to crushes and no label situation, siguro sinasabi natin na hanggang kailan ako mag-e-effort, no? Ayoko magpaka-plastic na this is unconditional love, no? Pwede siguro unconditional love yan kung manganganak ako or meron akong anak, no? That I can provide unconditional love. Pero kung relationship ito, unconditional your ass, di ba? The thing here is, kasi kung unconditional yan, sana nag-pet na lang ako, di ba? Ngayon, kung relationship to, I need some reciprocation, no? Ayoko magpaka-plastic na kailangan ibigay ko lahat. No, kailangan ko rin makatanggap. Kasi relationship ito, no? With regards to magjowa, married couple, ayan, medyo nakakita na tayo ng mga flaws, no? Ni person. Nakakita na tayo ng mga sabihin nating nakakasilip na tayo ng hindi maganda. Yung kumbaga, hindi natin inakala na pwede nilang maging ugali. Pero so far, napagtsatsagaan pa rin, pero there are times na ayoko nang magsalita kasi araw-araw, lagi ko na lang sinasabi, lagi na lang akong ganito. Hindi naman ako napapakinggan, no? Third party situation, I feel like gusto mo nang kumawala dito, no? You want to find a love that you can call your own or sa akin lang, no? I don't want to share with anyone. For me, love is sacred, no? Ayokong nakikihati sa oras. It's not me anymore, no? Something in you elevated. Yan yung nakikita ko. With the Wheel of Fortune, I love this. The Temperance, I love that. The Hierophant. Ang maganda kasi dito because of the perseverance, because of yung sabihin nating patience, because of resilience. Dumadating yung time na masasabi natin na tama pala yung decision ko na nagtiyaga ako. Tama pala yung decision ko na hinabaan ko yung pasensya ko. Tama pala yung decision na kahit papano, no, hindi ako bumitaw. Kasi I'm seeing harmony, especially when it comes to the finances and wealth. Medyo dadating yung time. And I feel like this week, ito yung week na sasabihin natin yung bugso, no, nitong wealth na ito kahit hindi natin, kahit wala tayong ginagawa, no, magiging passive yung income. And hopefully that will happen kasi the temperance is here. Na parang kailangan lang natin subukan, kailangan lang natin somehow mag-exert ng effort and the harmony between, no, that energy, the financial energy, the wealth energy is going to flow naturally, no? Sa buhay natin. When it comes to the career and job, it kind of make me feel with the Wheel of Fortune, Temperance, and the Hierophant in here, medyo dadating yung time na tayo naman yung nasa ibabaw, no? Tayo naman, doesn't sound right, but it feels right, no? Tayo naman nasa ibabaw. You know what I mean? Na tayo naman ang magpapatakbo ng buhay natin. Green-minded ka ha. With the Hierophant kasi in here, na para sasabihin mo, ako naman, no? Not really to become a boss, but to become a leader. So magkaiba ang boss sa leader, no? And I wanted to show, to be a good example, no? For my people, tumatakbo, no? For my people, na this is how it's done. Relationships, singles, crushes, no labels. So, I think na parang sinasabi dito, habaan mo kasi yung pasensya mo. The Temperance kasi, eto na yung week na dadating yung makikita mo na medyo nag-e-effort sila eh. Yung week na masasabi mo, ibinibigay sa'yo, yung time, energy, effort, to a point na magdidire-diretso naman siya. So, keep doing what you're doing. Huwag ka lang makakasakit, no? As long as you're not violating anyone's rights. So, by all means, do it. Diba? In a relationship, married couple, it feels like may paghingi ng tawad, may pagsuyo, no? Paghabol, to a point wherein parang liligawan ka uli or nagsisimula kayo from the scratch, no? Na yung sweet nothings, parang mabubuhay siya uli, no? Netflix, nakikita ko rin dito for some reason. Mga mahilig sa pizza, I feel like mapapasalubungan kayo ng pizza for some reason, especially pepperoni, I don't know. Hindi ako gutom, kakakain ko lang. And I'm not craving for pizza, no? Or some of these na parang medyo, I don't know, continental ba ito, yung mga gusto ninyo? What have you, no? Third party situation, I feel like magkakaroon talaga dito ng harmony, even dun sa mga separated couples, no? So, keep doing what you're doing, and patience needs to be in this, no? Especially this week. So, huwag tayo matrigger. Ayan. This is your reading, Scorpio. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, nasa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. So kung hindi nyo po yan hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Na doon po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And kung gusto nyong mag-book ng personal reading, na doon din po siya, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo. Ayan. This is your reading, Scorpio. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.